Hi, Phanessa here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the double crochet stitch. So the double crochet stitch is one of the more basic stitches. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to work some chain stitches. Starting with a slip knot, you want to chain any number of stitches. Now for the double crochet stitch, you're going to need to add 3 additional stitches. So whatever number you need plus 3. And then you're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. Here's the first chain, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. To work a double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now with half double crochets, you've yarned over and pull through all 3. With the double crochet stitch, you're going to pull through only 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now you have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Okay, into the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Into the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So I'm going to slowly finish the remaining double crochet stitches. Alright, my last double crochet stitch into the last chain stitch. So that is your foundation row, or row 1. You're going to now chain 3 and turn 1, 2, 3 and turn your work. So the chain 3 brings you up to the height of your double crochet stitch. So depending on the pattern, it can count as your first double crochet stitch, which then you would skip this first one and work into this next one. But if it doesn't count as your stitch, you would start here at the very first stitch. So let's say this counts as our double crochet stitch. We're going to work into the next stitch. And you'll see that row 2 and beyond is a lot easier to work into because you're no longer working into a foundation chain. You're working into an actual stitch from the previous double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook through both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so into the next stitch, another double crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet all the way across until I get to the last stitch, which is the turning chain. So I have one last stitch. This is the turning chain from the first row. I can't stress enough that you need to count your stitches if you are brand new. I do get a lot of questions related to why their square or their work is getting smaller or bigger. So definitely count your stitches. This last stitch here, the turning chain, you want to work into the 3rd chain. So here is the 1st chain, 2nd, and 3rd. So that's where I'm going to work my last double crochet stitch. Yarn over into that turning chain. It's the 3rd chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So repeating that last row, work a few more rows so you can see your swatch. Chain 3 and turn into the next stitch, yarn over, and work a double crochet stitch. Okay, so I'm going to fasten off here. Cut your yarn and then yarn over, pull through, and pull it all the way through. So this is your double crochet stitch. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.